Ever feel like you're flying blind when trading crypto? Understanding the order book is like unlocking a secret weapon. Today, we're diving deep into the Bybit order book so you can trade smarter and with more confidence. First, let's locate the order book on Bybit. Once you're on the trading interface for your chosen cryptocurrency, you'll typically find it displayed on the left and right sides of the screen. It's organized into two key sections: the bid side, shown in green, and the ask side, shown in red. The bid side, in green, displays the buy orders. Each row represents an order to buy the cryptocurrency at a specific price. The price column shows the price at which buyers are willing to purchase. The volume column displays the quantity of the cryptocurrency available at that price. Higher volumes suggest stronger buying interest at that price level. Now, let's examine the ask side. In red, this side represents the sell orders. Similar to the bid side, the price column shows the price at which sellers are willing to sell, and the volume column shows the quantity available at that price. Larger volumes here indicate stronger selling pressure. The spread is the difference between the highest bid price and the lowest ask price. A tight spread means there's high liquidity and efficient trading. A wider spread can indicate lower liquidity or higher volatility. Keep an eye on the spread, as it can impact your entry and exit points. The depth chart, which often sits above or below the order book, provides a visual representation of the order book. It shows the aggregated bid and ask volumes at different price levels. This can help you identify potential support and resistance levels. By regularly analyzing the order book and depth chart, you can gauge market sentiment, identify potential price movements, and make more informed trading decisions on Bybit. So, get in there and start practicing happy trading.